In this video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and play Palworld on PC or laptop. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser, and in Google search, we're going to type in Steam. Then we're going to be selecting the first link, which is going to bring us to this page here, and we're going to select Install Steam in the top right corner. Now it's going to bring us to this page, and we're going to select Install Steam. And then you'll see in the top right corner, we now have an application that we can run. So it's going to bring us through the installation process. So press Next, select your language. Let's press Next again, and then simply press Install to go through this process. Then once it's finished, go ahead and run Steam by pressing Finish. Now, the first time you boot up Steam, you can sign in with an account if you've already made one before, or you can create a free account here. So go through this process and then launch Steam. Once you sign in, you'll be brought to this home screen here, and we're going to look to the top right corner where the search bar is, and we're going to type in Palworld, and then we're going to select the $35 option. So if we scroll down a little bit, you will see an option to add to cart. It looks like they're having a sale for the next 40 hours, 10% off. So let's go ahead and select add to cart. Then it's going to show us the total I'm going to purchase for myself. Then you just have to input your payment information and agree to the terms of service and then press purchase. Once your purchase is confirmed, we're going to be going to Library in the top left corner and go to Home, and then you'll see the game Palworld, and we're going to press the Download and Install button. Then it's going to give us this information, how large the file is. It's about 20 gigabytes. We're going to select Install, and then it's going to give us this agreement that we have to agree to. So let's go to Accept. And then if we go to Library and we go to Downloads, it should begin downloading, as you can see right here. And it should give you an estimate as well as to how long it's going to take. Once Palworld is finished downloading, you'll have the option to press the play button here, or you can go to Games in the top left corner and view Games Library, and then you can launch it from here as well. So let's go ahead and launch it now. So that brought us to the home menu, so why don't we go to Start Game? And then we'll go to Create a New World, and we're going to give it a name. So this is where you can change your world name, multiplayer, difficulty. We're just going to leave it all as it is and go to OK at the bottom. And then let's go to Yes to start the game. So here's where you can customize your name. I'm going to leave it as is and press confirm. And then I'm going to go to start game. It looks like you can also customize your character here. We're just going to get right into it though. Let's press yes and let's start. And there you have it. You're now playing Palworld on PC. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.